This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Michelle Chastain. Check out this beauty with so many upgrades. New Pergo Laminate Flooring, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, double-sided fireplace and roof only 5 years old. Large backyard with a deck and added concrete patio. Split floor plan home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and a separate dining room on the lower level as well as a large game room on the second floor currently being used as a 4th bedroom. 6-person storm shelter in the garage that will convey. Cabot schools just minutes away, don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below.